Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Neeraj Niftiwala, and in this week's video I will talk about Axis Bank and the technical analysis about it. This week it has closed at 661 and long-term investors might be really worried that Axis Bank is falling and what should we do now. So this video is specifically made for them. But before we continue, I urge you to please click the like button and subscribe to my channel to continue receiving these kind of videos in the future as well, where I give technical analysis about stocks and Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So if I take a long-term view of Axis Bank technical chart, I am seeing that there was a low formed at a level of 152 in August of 2013, and after that it formed a high of 654 in March of 2015. So it took a good 1.5 years to come to one high, and then it was on a steady decline and a slow rise, but it made another high of 827 in June of 2019, after which we saw a collapse in the month of Feb and March, where it made a March 2020 low of 286, and then since then it has been in a steady rise and again made another fresh high of 799 in the month of Feb, which was 17th of Feb 2021. So now investors who have been invested in Axis Bank for long term might be worried as to our level, which was of 800, was a good level where we should have sold, but we couldn't sell it, and now it has come down at 661, and what to do. So here is my advice for all of them. At the moment it looks like there is a further fall possible. This is what it looks like, and it has got various supports. So there is a support at 609, 550, 491 and 419. These are various support levels of Axis Bank. My feel is that it can fall at least till 550. That is where it can possibly stop the fall. I have further analyzed it on the basis of higher volumes that were formed at certain periods of time as well. In general, if I look at it, it is in a steady uptrend since March 2020, but an all-time high before that was 828, which is not yet come, and the last high it made was of 800. That was again around Feb 2021, but after that it has been falling, and it had a major accumulation, and that kind of volume was created when it was at 430 level during June 2020 till October 2020, and after that it had picked up the uptrend, and it had another increase in volume at a 720 level, which could be some kind of a distribution where big players have been selling their stock. That happened somewhere around Feb 2021. Now this is from a perspective of a volume and from a perspective of important price which was formed and the level which was formed at that time. And if I look at the long term trend, the important level which Axis Bank has broken is 684, and after that it has shown a sharp fall, and it is falling since then. So now what I feel is that it can take a support either somewhere near 600, and if that support breaks it can touch somewhere around 555, 497. So these are the levels where there are various supports and it can fall till there. So if you're a long-term investor, the best is to accumulate when it comes near 550, 500 level. These are the levels when you can start accumulating. As of now, if you are holding it and if you're sitting on a profit, my advice is to sell and wait for lower levels to come. There is also a result which is expected around 27th April. So the price can go momentarily at that time. And once we see that upside levels are being taken out, that is 685 level is crossed and it closes above that, then there will be a resumption of the uptrend, and then you will start seeing upside levels of 700, 725, 750 to 800. These are the levels which are possible once Axis Bank becomes bullish again, and it can become super bullish after 800, 897 and go up to the levels of 921 and 949. So this is the possible level analysis of Axis Bank basis the chart which I have taken a look at and analyzed. I hope you have liked the analysis, and please click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you really want to see more videos. I will be motivated if I see more likes on my video, and even YouTube will show up my video in the results if you hit the like button. So it is very important to hit the like button. I do not recommend anyone buying or selling basis this particular review, because this is just a technical analysis, which is a possibility. It is not a sure shot thing that market will pan out this way. And if you are a trader and if you wish to receive my technical analysis on the scripts that you are holding, or you want to know more about scripts like Reliance, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance, these are the scripts in which I will give an analysis to you if you subscribe to my services. I also give a technical analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty for traders who want to trade intraday on a daily basis. So for those people, I give important entry and exit levels where you can take trade. So to become profitable and trade regularly with profits, you can subscribe to our services where you get a proper analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty or stock specific inputs, and we will give you a perfect way to trade and you will become profitable in the long run. Please get in touch with us on the number mentioned over here. Thank you.